Welcome back to Flint Creek Transport. My name is Justin. Got Trevor in truck 145 and our dump trailer. We're getting ready to truck some soybeans. He's actually just testing the box. Some of this old equipment doesn't always work correctly, but so we went to unload it and the box wouldn't go up. So we brought it back here, got it fixed, and now we're heading back to the farm, and the farmer's ready to start combining. So we're gonna also hook up this trailer to truck 155. I know you guys haven't seen truck 155 run a whole lot, but you'll get to see it here in this video. That's that blue Peterbilt. So perfect. All right, so we don't have to unload it. I think they're gonna start unloading, but anyway, this gives you a little idea. There's soybeans. Got an old number written on my hand, but it gives you a little idea what soybeans look like. And they go obviously up the grain leg and into these two bins, and then from there they get into the dryer probably, and then go into the bigger bins. So all right, now we got to go pick up the other driver. All right, guys, that is truck 155, pulling one of the old frameless trailers. No combining today because their combine broke. Been trying to get them to get a green combine, then they got the wrong green combine. So we're taking the guys back and maybe come back this afternoon. So it's all part of it. Actually, all combines break. Red ones, green ones, yellow ones, but some just break more than others. Well, good morning, guys. Today I'm running a little dump truck number 146. It's a little T300. Gotta run up to Rochester, actually Fairport, drop a load off and pick up a load at another store, and then come back through here. So it's a beautiful sunny day. Ooh, sorry about those little smudges here. Let's get you, there's the day. Gives you a good idea. All right, we're gonna go trucking. All right, guys. First load's dumped off. On to Rochester store for the next. You guys wanna see inside the store? This is it. Got another Justin over there. Couple other guys. All the stuff we sell. All kind of good stuff. Just a quick walk through. Let's go find the guys to load me. Oh, look at that. He's over there loading already. I don't know if you guys seen the yard before, but this gives you an idea. About 6 acres up here. And we utilize about every square inch of it. So, pretty much everywhere we own, we have stone. I tell the loader operators, if they spin, they're not loading correctly, or they're not operating the wheel loader correctly. Because what happens, they like to go in the pile and just watch the loader spin, and I'm like, it don't work like that. So, guy's doing a good job. Sometimes people think the faster the wheels are turning, the more you're getting done, but not always. Awesome. All I was getting was 3 yards, just transferring it to the other store. So now I go down to Geneva and just got to drop it into one of the bins.
Let's make our party on a Monday.
Morning, guys. Just want to show you guys this trailer real quick. Took the tandems right out from under it. No, it was not an accident. Actually, I don't honestly know the reason why they did that, but I'm pretty sure I do. I think the bushings are out, or there's some components that are broken on there. So we'll go inside and check it out. Well, I thought I'd pop in and show you guys this rig. If you remember this one is the green truck, and it had this engine in right here. This one, yeah, that was a bad day, right? So this engine sold, just sold on auction, and now we have a yellow motor in here. What a difference. What a difference. Also adds value to this truck. So this engine is an engine that we had sitting here. It's what I intended for it. This came out of an old International that I bought on auction, and I should actually go back and look, but what I will do is I will post a link to the video. This is actually like a couple years ago when I just started doing YouTube, and I have a video of going and getting the International truck and driving it back. It was definitely a little sketchy bringing it back because the brakes, I remember the brakes were sticking, and it was yeah, a little sketchy bringing it back. But I bought it on auction, brought it back, and it was specifically for this purpose. So we just got done ripping the engine out of that truck. We put it in this one, and we were having this fall auction, so we're like, you know what, we're gonna just get rid of that truck right away. So it's gone. Somebody bought it, and now we get to have this yellow engine in this truck. So this engine, I think it's a Cat 6TS. We got it, I don't know if you remember, it was pretty rusty or whatever. The guy that swapped the engine, put this engine in, he painted it, sandblasted it, made it look a little bit nicer. So now we're back, hopefully good to go for quite a while. This truck, again, so this is a glider, so we can legally do that as long as we're not putting in well, we can actually, this being just a glider, we can put it in any engine we want to. This truck, let me get this hood shut, and I'll show you a little bit what we got going on today. Oh, I'm thinking it's a Peterbilt hood with those stops and let's get that shut. So we got 2 of our gliders sitting right here in the shop. And let me get the years to get them all straight. But this one is a this one's a 2019, right? We got our other glider here in the shop. This is basically the exact same truck. That one is a green one. This one came with a cat. This is truck 152. And this is a 2016. So both have cat engines in them now. And I bought these, well, truck 152, truck 154. I think there was truck 153. Man, I have a terrible memory right now. I can't even think. But we're doing some work to these trucks today, and by the end of the day, these trucks are gonna look different. So truck 153, the one that would be between these two is the black Peterbilt. So that's the truck that is in between these two that we bought. So far, this truck has been a great running truck for us. We brought it back in. Again, I'm not sure exactly when we got it, but it's been a great running truck for us. It's, you know, it's always a gamble when you buy it. What's that engine gonna do? This one come from Illinois Truck Group, and that one came out of Michigan. So here is this rears on, or the tandems on that, from that flatbed. They're doing springs and the bushings here in the back. This trailer is one that came out of Texas, I think, and this was the flatbed that we bought. This one's, you can see it's not rusty at all. It's in actually very decent shape overall. But it's much easier to work on these things when they're split out from underneath the trailer. So makes it a whole lot harder doing it in or underneath the trailer. Back out to this beautiful sunshine, and while I'm out here, I'll also show you guys truck 112 here is hooked up to this Pro Tote 5th wheel wrecker. And the reason that is because we went and got truck 143. Remember, truck 143 was in the accident. Well, guess what? It's back, and those guys are working on it in there, and I'll update you on that truck as well. And one more thing, guys, as far as combining, I want to show you some shots of them combining and loading trucks, unloading trucks. So we had gotten some nasty weather. Finally, today's beautiful. I'll see if I can get out there today and get some shots, but it'll probably be in the next video. So that's kind of that, but hopefully we get some good shots. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.